Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surbi, and in this video we'll be seeing what's expected or what you can expect in the month of April. And as these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So they may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Leos for April. Okay, so we have the Two of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, okay, the Four of Swords, the Sun, the King of Swords, the Judgment, the Two of Swords, the Seven of Swords, and the Queen of Wands. Okay. So Leos, as far as these cards are concerned, you are trying to make a decision. You are trying to weigh the pros and cons. You are being indecisive in a situation in your life or over some sort of a proposal or something in your life, and you are trying to sort it out and trying to balance it. What I feel is that it is a hard decision. You are not able to come to a conclusion. You are not able to make up your mind as to what to do. So ultimately you are just letting it flow. Okay, you're just letting it be. Okay, let it be. Let time heal, let time give its own solution. It's something like that, and you are just surrendering yourself and just focusing on yourself. So that is the conclusion perhaps which you've come to. Okay, there is no point in weighing the pros and cons so much. There is no point in investing in this situation so much that I'm using all my brain and energy into it, perhaps. And maybe whatever this decision was, it was taxing you for at some point in time, and that is why you just choose to leave it on time, sort of. And once you are able to make that decision, and once you are able to just leave it or surrender it to the divine, to the universe, let universe show you the path, and let time give its own solution, type of a thing, you are in a state of happiness. And here you are feeling very, very happy once you are able to do that for you. Okay. And with the King of Swords and the Judgment, what I feel is definitely there is, though here this healing aspect and just leaving it to time is giving you a lot of happiness. And since you are feeling so happy, you are feeling very, very relaxed, and you just then take a sort of a retreat from this situation, and a sort of a defensive attitude. Okay, I really don't want anybody to mess up with my happiness, type of a thing. You are staying away from anything which makes you tense, or which messes up with your happiness, which causes some sort of whatever tension is in your life. So the thing is that you are detached and keeping at a distance those people or that person, whosoever is responsible for this confusion or this energy in your life, that you have to sort it out and keep balancing it all the time, or you are indecisive about it. Okay, so whatever it is. But with the Judgment over here, we have, what I feel is that though you are feeling happy at some point in time and you are guarding your happiness, but then still again with the Judgment, the Two of Swords, Seven of Swords, and the Queen of Wands, what I feel is again it is something like you have to make a decision type for energy. So maybe you could let this decision be pending, sort of, with time. But then here it really needs to this is a time when you really need to raise to the occasion and make a decision. So finally it is a call to make a decision. You really have to make one, and again you feel you are in the same space of Two of Swords and Seven of Swords. So again you are trying to make up your mind. Again you are trying to listen to your inner voice, and though you are, yes, being guarded, and but the thing is, again you will find yourself in the same place. Okay, it can be that since again it is a time to make a decision, then for some of you, what I feel is it is possible that you are still retreating from making a decision, and you are not giving your decision. With the Seven of Swords, it can be that you are hiding, you don't want to give a decision, sort of a thing. You are just walking away from giving a decision. It can be as simple as that. No matter what the situation is, you are sneaking away from it, because what you feel is that, okay, if I speak up, maybe you feel that if you give this or that decision, it can be harmful for you, or it can put you in a place which you may not like to be in. So again, with the Queen of Wands being there, maybe you feel that if you escape giving this decision or voicing this, whatever the situation is, then you feel that you will be in a better place. Okay, it can be as simple as that. For others of you, it can be that it is a time to take a decision. And again, you are trying to make up your mind regarding some situation which is in which somebody is behaving in a sneaky way, somebody is hiding, telling lies, cheating and manipulation is going on. Something is happening in your life perhaps, and that is why you're not able to make a decision on this person, whosoever is causing this in your life. And that is why, and it is hard for you to make this decision. Maybe this is somebody near and dear to you, maybe this is somebody you really can't, you don't want to leave or you can't leave, can be something like that. And maybe that is why it is taking a toll on you, and you're not able to come to a conclusion. So maybe either you're turning your back to make a decision once again, and you just feel okay, escaping this call may be the right thing to do, and if I just let the time go by, the situation will resolve, something like that. So either you are escaping making this judgment which actually needs to be made, it can be that. And for others of you, you are actually making a decision regarding a person who is cheating, lying or manipulating, doing something, and then after doing that you are feeling very good about yourself and feeling back in power. So it can be it will be different for different people, so just take it as it resonates. So let's see what is the message from this deck. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Leos. Moderation, the Two of Hearts. Yes, you are definitely trying to moderate a situation. You are definitely, some sort of balance has to be maintained. There is something which really is really investing a lot of energy in maintaining a balance in a certain relationship. That's what I feel. You are really investing in it. Sorry, I picked up this deck. I wanted to pick up this one. Okay, so let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Ace of Thought. This cherub has arrived to congratulate you for a brilliant new idea which is truly inspired. It is important to communicate clearly and thoroughly to others who are involved in the implementation of your idea. Don't be dissuaded by the little challenges along the way. These are merely the course corrections to perfect your plan. So Leos, I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.